Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a chapter. The title of the chapter is Number System. We know that number system starts from natural numbers. So the title is Number System. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers, and all these numbers are denoted by the symbol n, which is called natural numbers. If you add 0 in natural numbers, then these numbers are called whole numbers. And denoted by W. When we add negative number in the whole number, the new group of numbers form, that is -1, -2, -3, all negative numbers, then 0, 1, 2, 3, all positive numbers. So whole number and all negative numbers are known as integers. And it is denoted by Z. Still some more numbers are there which are in fraction form, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. If we add in integers, this combined group is known as rational numbers. But rational numbers are very close to each other, so we cannot write like this by putting comma between them. In integers, there is no integer between 1 and 2. After 1, the next integer is 2, but it is not in the case of rational number. So for rational numbers, we have to define first what is the rational number, and then we will write the group of number in little different way. So what is rational number? It is in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So we are taking some integers which are satisfying these three conditions. Condition number 1, the form should be P upon Q. It means one integer should be in numerator and one should be in the denominator. Both should be integers, second condition. And third, the denominator should not be 0, because if it is 0, then it will be 1 by 0 or 2 by 0, which is not defined, which is not in the group of rational number. Now we can write the same definition in another way, that is rational number is numbers set of P upon Q. Normally we write in this way. This is the form of the number P upon Q. P and Q are integers and Q should not be 0. So the difference between both representation is there are numbers separated. We can put the comma between them, but these numbers are not separated. If you are saying the first one is 1 by 2, then you cannot say the next one is 1 by 3. No, there are so many numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is in decimal form 0.5, 1 by 3 in decimal form is 0.333 repeated digit. So this is smaller than 1 by 2, and between them so many numbers are there, 0.444, 0.414141, so many numbers are there. That is why this type of the definition is required to know for rational numbers. Rational numbers are very close to each other, so we cannot write the comma between them. Now before going to next number, that is irrational number, we must know what is the decimal representation of rational number. There are, you are observing here, this is repeated, which we known as non-terminating or recurring decimal, and this is terminating decimal of a rational number. So basically there are three types of decimal. One is terminating, another is non-terminating or recurring, these two for rational number. But one more type of the decimal formation, decimal representation is there, which is different from both of them. That is like 0.01, 001, 0001, and so on. This is a decimal representation which is neither of repeating form nor for terminating form. So such numbers are known as irrational number. The number whose decimal representation is neither terminating nor non-terminating. And there may be many numbers, like rational they are very dense, irrational also very dense, very close to each other. So we cannot write like this for irrational also. So the definition of irrational number will be the number whose decimal representation is neither terminating nor non-terminating. Example 0.01, 001, 0001, and so on. Or another number is 0.02, 002, 0002, dash dash dash. So likewise we can say irrational are also very dense, very close, and there is no specific symbol to represent irrational, but there is a symbol to represent rational, that is Q. Q is the symbol to represent rational number. For irrational number there is no specific letter. And the last types of number is, this is the combination of rational and irrational. If you are combining them, then this is known as real number. So the real number is the group of or set of all rational as well as irrational number, and the real number is denoted by R. is called real number. And it is denoted as capital letter R. So this is the base of number system. Natural number 1, 2, 3 denoted by N, whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 denoted by W, integers denoted by Z, minus all negative, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is integers. Then rational number which are in the form of P upon Q, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, like this, all are rational numbers. But the decimal of rational number is terminating or non-terminating. There are two possibilities. But there are certain number which are neither terminating nor non-terminating. This is third type, and such type of the numbers are known as irrational numbers. If you find out the square root of 2, that is also like this, which is neither terminating nor non-terminating. So it is also irrational number. Root 2, root 3, root 5, these are also irrational numbers. And when we combine rational and irrational, that is called real numbers. And now we are going to understand the entire topic by a small figure, that is the set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Then we added the 0, so it becomes whole number. Then we added -1, -2, -3, it becomes integers. And then we are adding 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So it is becoming Q, that is rational number. And the irrational number are different. That is root 2, 1.01, 001, and combinedly this is known as real number. That is real number. So that is the entire topic, what is number system all about. You can learn all these things by this figure. And lastly, one more points are there. Sometimes there is a question, they ask all natural number are real number, whether it is true or false. All real number is natural number, it is true or false. To answer such type the question, you have to see this. If you are going from inside to outside, then it is true. Means all natural number are whole number, it is true. All whole number of integers, true. All natural number are real number, it is true. All irrational numbers are real number, it will be true. If you are going from inside to outside, it will be true. If you are going from outside to inside, this will be false. Like all real numbers are irrational number, false. All real numbers are natural numbers, false. So this is the easy way to answer such type of the questions. I hope you understand this topic. Please revise, do it at home, write all the different letters, their numbers, this figure, and then you will come to know that what about the basic of number system. And this is also connected from the syllabus of higher classes, class 10th, 11th, 12th and after 12th also. So I hope you understand it. Okay, thank you.